Commander Morning, today is the day when the Lord was made. We are here to introduce the new child on the block, of which is Sun for South. South Africa is not for sale workers union. Yesterday we went to Pretoria, to Department of Labor to collect the certificate. These are certificates that now we declare to our seniors, to our superiors, that the union of MK Labor Desk, the union of MK Party is registered officially. So this is South Africa is not for sale workers union. Everybody in South Africa must take note that after this revolutionary union that are being presented to you, no one will play with employees. Employers, actually we are here to make sure that there is a relationship between the employer and the employees. Everybody in the workplace must ensure that there is a working relationship. Unfortunately, we've got another certificate that we received yesterday, a constitution certificate. I think it's here. This is, okay, the constitution is this one. Where is it? Yeah. This is a constitution certificate that we are now bound by the labor laws of this country, and we are advocating the Basic Conditions of Employment Act and the Labor Relations Act, and we will bind the employer and the employee relationship. So that means we are also abide by this document. So we are here to present the scope of the union. God always will on our side. That's why I'm saying, actually, we cannot run away from the fact that God make us here where we are today. Everybody was complaining the union is not registered, but today the union is registered. Before I continue with the scope, let me introduce my fellow colleagues, the task team that is here. One, I've got the president. I don't know if he can introduce himself. There is a president of the union on my left-hand side, that is Standiwe Mlisa, and I've got the treasurer on the far left, which is Pet Ndaweni, and I've got the national organizer here, that is Vus Bata, and again the one that is coordinating everything for a communication officer, that is Dr. Kiz Esabanuel. So, comrade, let me just introduce here this scope of the union. Our union has got almost all the scope. Fortunately, all the scope is here, but I will read it so that everybody will know exactly who we stand for. We've got health, including private companies. Kruti Amanes are accommodated with Usan Fosal. We've got education or teacher. They are also accommodated Usan Fosal. And we've got our social development, my social worker. They are also accommodated with Usan Fosal. We've got state administration. Kruti Wongama Department, the state, protectors, whatever, are protected by this scope, including our members of the parliament are also included. So now we are representing them. They must join. they are represented, they are safe with us. So even the MPs of Umkhonto, they are safe with us. There will be nowhere where you can be just chased away without any proper, facts that are on the table. So now we've got parastatus, tax and public entities. We've got mining, mining as well are involved. And to assure you, already we are above 3,000 mine workers in this office. So that means today we are going to send all Section 24, 21 to all the companies to take us very seriously because we were struggling. We've got security industry, they are here, they are covered. Security always majority, and we are fighting the interest of the securities all the time. Metals, motor industry, and also other companies are also involved in the metals, are also covered. We've got cleaning as well. Everybody that is cleaning, that people must know that the Sun for South is there for them. We're fighting for justice where there is injustices. So logistics and transport, all logistics, trucks and all that transport, and so that including transport, including also matekisi bawethu siyabakhala also matekisi umuntu odrivela udrive itekisi ndiyakazi ukuthi uSun for South cover that area. And also the public sector as well, the PAs of bosses and administrations of health, all the public sector, the sub-public servants are covered in this scope. Financial services, that means the banks, FNB, workers, every workers that works under the bank or financial institutions are covered here. So we've got also the local government, of which is a very interesting one, Omasipala. Omasipala are covered, Omasipala are covered. So there is no one ozohlukumeza umuntu akamasipala sikhona. EPWP ungasha banibani, securities, cleaners omasipala, and abasebenzi bakamasipala, now they've got home. That home is Sun for South. So we've got and then they added saying various other sectors not mentioned above. Any sector that is still being formed, wherever is formed, but when it comes to South Africa as a labor matter, then we are covering that sector. So God is with us, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to assure you that we are going to stand for employees. And also we will encourage the employees as well to work, because if we are saying we are a union, we must not be a union of the employees who don't want to go and work. It must be clear that people who get drunk and in the workplace, it's not our responsibility, because people, they have to go, they have to work for their children. They have to put the bread on the table without compromising the economy of this country. We are not going to be a union who going to strike every day. But if an employer fail to comply with the law, the labor law of this country, The basic condition of employment, the Labor Relations Act, that's where we are going to take that employer head on. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to present the scope. Today, everybody must know that we are now a registered union. And unfortunately, we had people in this office who were just bought the certificate, union certificate, and they ran away. And I said to myself, God that is with me, I will able to knock at the door of the Department of Labor until it's open. Now it's open for us. It's a legit certificate. This certificate that you see here is legit, and we are going to work together to ensure that the interests of the workers are fulfilled. I thank you. I can now take any questions. Thank you. Any questions? Without questions. Amanda.
All these questions.
Oh, there's a question there. I will check more questions.
President, ngicela ukubuza nje. Ngiyazwa nendlela eningisela ngakusebenza. Nathi singabasebenzi siyimisela ukusebenzisana nabo. Ukuthi lesi sihlava lesi esikhona kuma unions. La uthola khona ama unions, ngicabanga ukuthi njengamanje most ama unions iba betrayed abantu bamele. Ngaphandle kokungabaza lokho, iSouth Africa njengoba ingakathi. Ama unions asebenzela izisu zabo ngaphandle kokusiza abasebenzi. Abasebenzi abanameli baphanda abasebenzi. Kucha baxhashazwa mihla namazolo. Abanye baxhashazwa baze bayoxhashazwa izinto. Mafanele bayomela ngoCCMA, uthola umsebenzi uhamba yedwa ayomela icala. Akekho nomuntu ombonisa ukuthi kufanele enze njani. Ngenxa yini yobhitshwa ama unions. Yiphi ithemba nanendlela elingasinika lona ukuthi mina nibophezele and alikho intshontsho eniyolithatha njengoba into echumeka kakhulu kuhlaselwa ngabasebenzi makuwa kumqashi ngenhloso ukuthi bayizuzise bona ekugcineni umsebenzi abasemva basebenzona abaphambili kodwa isingeniso sabo uma bevulisa bangena bephusha umsebenzi phambili bese beshaya import esebenza phakathi okuyona into enzima kakhulu.
Yeah. Okay.
Ngiyabingelela nabazalwane. Ngidobela isibongo. Ngizofakazela lensizwa ngoba nami ngomunye waleso sisulu. Ngize la ekhaya nje ngomunye waleso sisulu from 95, 2004, 2006. Icala ngamunakazeke ngathi kwaba nge4 enkampanini yagcina ingaseze ecaleni sibaleke. Kuze kube manje angaze ngithole lutho. Bengikhala ukuthola ireport ngoba uMngcobo engifonela ethi into ayitholile ezintweni zami inkampani inelokuzana insurance yayo ukuthi uma ulimele emsebenzini ithi kwi-workmen compensation ayingakhokhi yona ezoclaima besizolima umsebenzi. Ileyo report asangiyona kwaMngcobo. Sengisho ukuthi ngiyahambisana nomfowethu mina ziningi ngisho kwa road ngashayela ngoba wathi bebefuna izinto abantu abazoziletha kodwa bagcina bengenzanga lutho. Yonke leminyaka ngikhuluma ngecala engakuwini. Ngangakhokhelwa ngilimele emsebenzini, ngangakhokhela imali eyecala engikwinile kuze manje lokho bethembisa usathi awuke wayothatha umelo kwakuthiwa usiyabonga wagcina engasayilandeli lento ethi abafuni ukumkhokhela. Sengisho ukuthi ngiyamfakazela umfowethu kulesi sisulu ngoba nami ngomunye waleso sisulu. So ke ngize ngayithola feedback last week ngoba uMngcobo ethi uthe mayihamba ngezinto zami wathola ukuthi abazange bangikhokhele. Lokho kwafanele kukhokhelwe mina inkampani yathatha kwabani kwayo yathi yona iyaklema izokhokhela abasebenzi bayo. So ke ngibonga kakhulu sengisho ukuthi umfowethu lo ushaye emhlonini.
Siyabonga. Yeah. Mhlambe umuntu akangene la comrade, when we establish iSANFOSA, we ensure we made sure that we recruited our lawyers. There are lawyers associations that are also part of iSANFOSA. So one, we are looking at the cases where iCCMA or bargaining council behluleka ukusinikeza justice, and then after they fail to give us justice because of any reasons, because ngeke sikhulume nge-reasons where ama employers any upper hand kuma bargaining councils nakuma CCMA, and even the government has got an upper hand with CCMA because CCMA is still a state entity. You understand? So to go to CCMA, it's win-win situation where the government cannot allow that institution to rule over the departments. So tonight what we are saying, as Umkhonto weSizwe, as Umkhonto Labour Desk, as uSANFOSA, we are saying, let's breach those, issues. How are we going to breach those issues? Let's take even the commissioners to court if they rule matters unjust. You understand? Asikwazi ukubavumela ukuthi benze a ruling engekho informed by the law. So silapho ke la isikhona thina. And thina kulokhu kwama unions ingakho sine MK Labour Desk that goes with iSANFOSA. MK Labour Desk is to ensure ukuthi umqashi akabetray abasebenzi ngokuthi azothatha intshontsho, and also azo bribe ama unions, and nama unions our betray abasebenzi ngokuthi athi azoba representa kanti azothatha imali. So we with that one, I want to assure you, we are standing against those betrayers from the unions, and that's why we open our own union in the MK Labour Desk, because we don't want anyone who's going to betray our workers. The Leyo is very clear, and we are very solid on that. Ukuthi akekho ozoxhaphaza umsebenzi in our lifetime as iSANFOSA. Angazi noma ngiphendulekile. Lapha ku-COIDA, we've got an issues lapha ngama-COIDAs. Kubantu babe-COIDA. Abaqashi currently kubukeka yonke imithetho ivumelana nabaqashi. Because in the first place, akufanele ngabe umqashi that are claiming the employee's money for injury on duty. You understand? For example, we employer that is claiming, the employee that is claiming the money to labor. We understand? So iphambene into yakhona indlela abayakha ngayo. That's why la kwiSANFOSA we are going to recruit we have to get seats in the bargaining councils. So what we need is that all the workers must start to join the SANFOSA so that we will influence the system of the bargaining council. You understand? So that's what we are saying. Yes, workers. I don't know if there are still any questions. I've got my colleagues here also who can answer some of the questions. Mangabe echo. Ubani omunye ongakaze abuze bese sibuyela phambi kokuba bebabuze. Yes, sir.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngibekile ukuthi ngifisa ukulandelela ipoint abafowethu bafuna le union Ekungihluphayo kule point ochazayo manje. Ithi mina singenile kwikhosatu. Sadlula ikhosatu. Sinembembelelo ukuthi ikhosatu izosimela. Yabasebenzi. Ikhosatu ibe nalo ithuba lokuba ngaphansi kwahulumeni lokho obukade kuphethwe abantu. Ensini kanjalo. So into engihluphayo epointini la ukuthi ayizokwenzeka kanjalo esehlele ukhosana if senibuyela mhlawumbe embusweni ngoba bebesembusweni kodwa bahambe bashiya inkinga lesikuyona manje ifuthwa lokho.
Yes. Oh.
Oh, ngiyaxolisa. Ngiyangelela Bishop. Ngicela ukubuza la ekuthenini kukhona lolu hlobo labantu abayisebenzayo njenganamaciko nje kanje. Mhlawumbe abantu abakanjalo bayakwazi ukuthi bameleleke under i-South African Equality for Sale. Kukhona nje isitori nje sitrend out njengamanje sentombazane ewumculi othola ukuthi ikhampani yakhona idle imali ebalela kuma-millions but isilokhane yehla yenyuka ayazi ukuthi fanele isizakaliphi. Njengoba ngibuza nje nami ukuthi ngikuyona inhlangano le yamaciko, so sifisa ukuthola ukuthi njenganamaciko isanfo sami iyakwazi ukuthi ilekelele uma ngabe efacana neyinkinga.
Okay. Okay. Now let me start. Okay. Let me take you and you.
I want to find out what will our take be on foreigners taking our jobs.
Now I would like to greet the Bishop, Mukhethekile, and the members of the executive, including the President, the National Organizer, and the Treasurer, and the members of the media who are with us today. Now, mine, the employees, now mine is simple. I just want to check that when this information that you are presenting to us, when this information maybe will be available to the South Africans, maybe in the website, so that everybody will be able to all right. Then the next is like, as the South Africans are watching this, maybe they are now starting to be excited, so like they want to join and all that. Maybe they will have questions about the offices in their provinces and all that. So maybe if that information can be clarified to when to expect the offices maybe in all provinces, and how to join, since I understand that now we are expecting big numbers. So, and also some contact info for those maybe who would like to have some questions that maybe will not be covered in this media briefing. Thank you.
No, thank you so much. Let me start by umbuzo lapho umbuzo othi sibena ikhosatu but ikhosatu didn't fulfill ama-interest abasebenzi. Ikhosatu njengamanje ikhosatu, iSAFTU and other federations are selling workers. We must put it that one as a clear cut to every across the board of South Africa. You know, joining the GNU is a clear selling of the workers, because now I'm not saying we are against the employers, but you know, the DA recently was fighting for the job increase, you know. So now if you are involved in the GNU, how can you oppose that? You understand? So because now you are working together to disadvantage those who were marginalized in South Africa. So now that's why I'm saying that one, we are now having our own federation called Radical Action Federation of Trade Union, of which is this side of this side, a RAF2. We call it a RAF2. So Umkhonto now has established our new home as unions and affiliated with Umkhonto. That federation is here, RAF2, Radical Action Federation of Trade Union. That's where we are all covered. That's why we are calling all the workers in South Africa to come and join Isan for South, as we are the, the many scopes that are falling under Isan for South. So let's come and join together. And we've got another unit at Umkhonto Wesizwe who are also part of this RAF2. You understand? So you are covered, my man. So don't worry. And come back to, there was another question that how are we going to deal with the foreigners? Comrade, the foreigners to us, I don't know, it's like we are not serious as a government to ensure that we are putting foreigners in their own space. Yeah. Actually, we can't control foreigners in our country. No, in a space of an employment and in a space of a business. Because when you look at Durban, where we are situated, you find that each and every corner, each and every street, it's a foreigner. And that means government fail us this money to control foreigners in our country. And if you go to Immigration Act, I think it's 38 and 40 of this country, it tells you who should have the right or have the permission as a foreigner to work in South Africa. You understand? So the foreigners, and actually we have to stand up as if we are saying South Africa is not for sale, that means exactly what we are talking about. That we cannot allow people from foreigners to come and take our jobs. Yeah. Because taking our jobs, that means we are creating a very, not a conducive environment for our children, because there will be too much crime in our space. So that's why we are here to say no for foreigners to take our jobs. Everybody, the law said it must be a scarce skills. And now you see the foreigners in the security industry, in the cleaning, in wherever there is security, even in restaurants, you find the foreigners there. And we must make sure that we don't allow it happening. When we go and address the issues of employees in any company, we will ensure that we must know who are working for that company. And if there is a foreigner, they must produce the permits and the nature of the job that they are doing. And that job should be a scarce skill. No one in South Africa must have that skill. If not, they are breaking the law according to Immigration Act. So, and come back to the office. As I think we are having more than 30 companies. We have more than 30 companies here in our head office who are not yet deducting the subscriptions because of these certificates that we received yesterday. So by saying that, that means once we push all the Section 2021 to all the companies, then that's where we can start now having offices in all the provinces. Not all, actually. We've got the target of KZN. KZN has got the office, Gauteng, Northwest, and Mpumalanga, and other provinces as well will follow after that. But the majority that we have for companies are in this almost 4 provinces. So we will establish, as we are going along, another offices in all other provinces. Thank you. Umbuzo uthi sibasiza kanjani small businesses or amaciko, I don't know. Yeah, we can classify them as small businesses because they manage their funds and they manage themselves. Yeah, but we are having an MK NEPA desk. MK NEPA desk is representing whatever scope that is not in the Sun for South. Yeah, you understand? Any scope, like abadayisi basemgwaqweni, you understand? Ama street vendors. Street vendors are supported by the MK NEPA desk. And even the abadayisi imithi emgwaqweni, like we were helping the Dalton, you know, and we were putting umasipala to court, to high court, for utata imithi abadayisi. That means the MK NEPA desk is sweeping everything that is not covered by the scope of the Sun for South, the union. You understand? So the artists, the arts, and let me put it, the arts, I'm right, yeah, the arts are represented by EMK NEPA desk. You know, you understand? Yeah, so I think we cover that space. Any question? Yes.
So, do you join as an individual or ufuna a group of people or ufuna understand that because ngiyeza mina umsebenzi mhlawumbe abanye ngeke bezibeyamkele mina ngingedwa, can I join?
Yes, you are allowed to join individually. You are allowed to join, but we in companies we encourage to be 50, at least 50 plus 1, so that we can able also to bargain. You understand? Yeah, on the issues of salaries, leaves, and all that, we have to take control in the company. So if you are less than 50 plus 1, it put us on the disadvantage to bargain. So at least yes, put us abantu mabeza beza ngobuningi, but those who are individual who think that okay, now let me come and join for myself. Even if awuzukuya kumqashi uyothi ngijoyinile, because other employers, they used to, you know, ukuthi baku destroy when you join the union. And those companies siyabona njengamanje ngoba abulala ilungelo lomuntu wase South Africa. If the company resists those rights of the employees to join, because of Section 23, Section 23 of the Basic Condition of Employment, as well as the Constitution has got the right to associate yourself with any, you know, organization that you wish to associate yourself with. So, uma umuntu nje umqashi enqaba abasebenzi ukuthi bajoyine i-union, we have to know that who is above the law. So those who are above the law, we must test those companies that they are above the law. We have to test them, actually.
Treasury will answer the question for the website.
Well,
ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ngithole ithuba nami ukuthi ngibe lapha kule platform. Siyabonga comrade ngombuzo website. I-website is under construction. I-website ibilindele lusuku olukhulu olungaka ukuthi siqoqe yonke le information sifake kwi-website lapho ozothola khona lonke uju le information regarding Sun for South, i-background yayo, establishment yayo, constitution yayo, nanokuthi imelene. njengoba eshilo nje unobhala jikelele ukuthi lapha yakhona isitifiketi esisigunyazayo ukuthi imaphi ama-sector esingawamela. Besifuna ukuthi senze sure ukuthi leyo list yama-sectors ayikho i-sector esizoyishiya ngaphandle, kanti sizoba nenhlanhla-ke i-Labour ibesale isinikeze ngazuthi nje we gonna be a union with all aspects ama-sectors. And siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngalokho ngoba besingafuni ngempela ukuthi bekhona i-sector esiyishiya ngaphandle ngoba kubi la ngaphandle. Exploitation ayikhethi i-sector. I-exploitation yomsebenzi ifikelela kubona wonke umuntu. Okuhle nje ukuthi sesikwazi ukuthi sifinyelele nasephalamende ngoba nakhona ephalamende khona ingcindezelo nakona wonke ama-sectors akhona. Lapha kule website yethu uzothola yonke information oyidingayo. Besena nalokuthi sifake i-registration form lapha kule ya website yethu ukuthi umuntu nje angaze mhlawumbe a-travel eze la ehhovisi kodwa akwazi ukupopulate. You can populate the website. You can put your information on the website because we're going to have some kind of registration form to join the union immediately. Maybe open a monetary page as well where you can contribute. But leyo yento sisazoyikhuluma kahle ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siyenze ibe safe futhi nayo. Yeah, but the website is on its way. It's under construction. It just need to add more additional information that's going to be useful to the workers out there. I thank you.
Ngicabanga ukuthi in the absentia of questions kusho ukuthi we're done. And mhlawumbe ake ngicele nje u-organizer abe nezwi no-president abe nezwi for the sake yokuthi sibheke phela isiyakhona. Asibonge. Asibonge. Asibonge too. Okwama kuningi kakhulu. Sekukhulunywe konke. But nje ngizokusho kubasebenzi. Ngifuna ukuqinisekisa bona. Ngicela abasebenzi bangasabi. Isikhathi sokusaba ngicela abasebenzi bangasabi. Manje abaphumela obala abasebenzi ababuye bonke abasebenzi bazojoyina isanfo sabo. Yileyo nje ngicela kubasebenzi sebexhaphazeke kakhulu abasazi okuyibona bona. Kodwa ke ngifuna ukubanikeza namhlanje akulona ithemba. Ngibanika ihawu umkhondo ukuthi ukhona umkhondo manje abasebenzi abawuthembe umkhondo. Umkhondo uzobalekelela sisanfo sawo ukhulu la sibheke khona. Okwami nje ngicela abasebenzi bahlangane bona uqobo lwabo. Bahlangane ndawonye beze bathathe umkhondo sihlasela abelungu ngoba le yokuxhashazwa kanje nathi asiyazi. La into ngoba sesifikile nje. Sifikile ngesisanfo sawo siyafika siyingane njani kodwa hayi into esifica lapha namafoni nama-union la dethwala khona ngathi awekho. Sho no-Labour lo khona ngathi yakho umuntu omele abasebenzi yakho umuntu abasebenzi bayibona sebephinda ukuyigqila into ongakazi uzuyibone angazi ukubona ugqila ngilivinya ngekhathi zobandlululo angikholwa ukuthi kwakunje angazi ngicabanga ukuthi khona abasebenzi bayahlupheka. Abasebenzi ngicela basukume babambe umkhonto sihambeni bafuthu sibheke phambili sizophumelela masindawonye. Ilokho nje ngifuna ukubanikeza lelo themba bafuthu mahlangene sesifikile sisanfo sawo sizolilekelela asithatheni ke manje lesipiye siqonde phambili ngibona ukuthi sizoyiwina lento ilula kakhulu ngoba kunomthetho phela eSouth Africa umthetho nje ukhona wabasebenzi singazostika umthetho wase South Africa nawo abameli bethu bakhona ningasabi bafowethu ningasabi asebenzi sibheka ama-lawyers emva kwethu la kukhona ama-lawyers ongakazi usicabanga ngisazobona nje ngifuna ngisazobona into engakaze nayibona nibone ukuthi sibhekile mina njengo-organizer ke bafowethu ngiyacela nje ukuthi asebenzi ahlangane ndawonye sibini imbumba sithathe umkhonto sibheke phambili sizophumelela. Thank you.
Sanbolani. My name is Standiwe Mlisa and I'm the president of the union South Africa is Not for Sale. And I just want to say a few words about the objectives of the union. The sole and only objective that I believe that is very important to the union is that we promise to protect and promote workers' rights. That is to promoting fair treatment in the work places and to fight against injustices. Thank you.
Siyabonga kakhulu President, ngisacela ukuthi ngingene futhi nje nobhala wami General. Engifuna ukugcizelela kakhulu lapha nobhala ukuthi i-union yethu noma ingaphansi kwe-umbrella ye-MK ne-MK Labour Desk, kodwa i-union emele wonke abasebenzi base-South Africa, noma ngabe ukwenye i-political party, noma ngabe ukwenye i-union, noma ngabe ukwenye i-association nje, kodwa uzizwa ucindezelekile umsebenzi, amalunga lo akho acindezelekile wena msebenzi, unemvume njengoba kade esho unobhala ukuthi according to the constitution of the country you've got a right to choose a representative union. Ilungelo lakho lelo ukuthi usuke la ukhona uzothi hayi sengihamba neSANFOSAWU manje, ngifuna ukujoyina iSANFOSAWU, ngifuna ukumelwa iSANFOSAWU, ngifuna i-union yami ezohamba phambili enkampanini yami. Isimele sonke siyabasebenzi mhlawumbe maningi lapha emsebenzini enikhona sibe u-50+1, simele yonke i-organization noma i-company okuyona ungeza uzojoyina iSANFOSAWU irepresenta wonke ama-political party, wonke ama-organization, noma ngabe ubani, noma ngabe individual, you're welcome ukuthi uze uzojoyina iSANFOSAWU. Mandla.
Comrades, siyabonga. Mhlambe ke my last closing words kwilokuze kule media briefing, trust i-union yomkhonto. That's what I'm going to say. Tina, we are not independent. We've got the political party that is also part of this union. We cannot do as we please. When you feel what your rights are infringed and iSANFOSAWU is not doing enough to assist you, you can report us to the structures of the organization. Local, we allow you guys to do that because what Msholozi said, uMaswinu Cat for 2024, wathi umkhonto uzokhulula umuntu wase South Africa. So after sedlula ukhetho sama uthola u2/3 majority, waphinde wathi ayiqhubeke i-MK Labour Desk ikhulula abantu eSouth Africa. So njengamanje sikhulula abantu eSouth Africa, sibakhulula nakumkhonto. Ake ngibeke leyo in the disguise.
Yes.
Uma kukhona any employer who are supporting umkhonto but abusing the employees, lowo mkhonto uyagwaza, uyaphenduka lowo mkhonto ugwazekaya. You understand? Because into esimelela a true reflection of protecting.
Yes.
True reflection of protecting whoever. Umkhonto uma ukhona umuntu ophethe abasebenzi umkhonto engafuni ukuthi abasebenzi abahole according to the law. Lowo mkhonto uyaphenduka lowo mkhonto. Ugwaze no ophethe lowo mkhonto. Because into ebalekile la ukukhulula abantu. Singabaletha abantu engcindezini ye political organization. Ukuthi ngoba umkhonto then you are exempted. You understand? We don't have any exemption. Uke washo ukuthi wathi mayisiphethe umkhonto niyokwenza njani. Umkhonto mzukwana waphatha. Kuyoba yilapho umkhonto siyokukhumbuza khona ukuthi sathini ngokukhulula umuntu omnyama. Uma umkhonto ungeke uyenze leyo nto, I want to assure you in this first briefing, kuyobe kuyileso sikhathi esobe siphambene nomkhonto. Because asikho excited ngomkhonto, si excited ngokukhulula umuntu wase South Africa. Ayikho based lento ekutheni which political affiliation esikuyo, but into esikuyo ukuthi a vision that we are running with emkhontweni. Once umkhonto fail, it's same as ANC. If you go and read the constitution of the ANC, it's good, but the people who are supposed to execute the policies and the constitution of that political party, you find that is two different things. So nathi umkhonto when ufika lapho bafowethu will take a position yomsebenzi, will never take a position yani ye political party. Sikusho lapho without any apologetic or any prejudice. We are going to stand for workers. Yilapho nje. And my comrade, into ebalekile efanele sigqugquzele kubasebenzi. Asingavumela abasebenzi bethu bangasebenzi ngendlela efanele basebenze ngayo. Ngoba that one it resort to or reduce ilokuze indlela esifunayo yokuthi abasebenzi base South Africa kube yibona abasebenzi South Africa. Masithi South Africa akufanele kuze kube kuthiwe kunconywa ama-foreigners kuthiwa wona ayasebenza than us. But into esingayifuni exploitation, nama-unfair dismissal, nama-unfair labor practice. Sifuna nathi ubulungiswa. But umsebenzi ozohlala njalo nje engekho emsebenzini for no reason. Akekho serious lo msebenzi. Kufanele sibe fair ukuthi we are here ukuthi sakhe i-relationship because the economy is ours. So we must make sure that our country is established and our country, i-economy yakhona injani, vibrant. So then we vibrant if we are not there. So injalo nje ma-corporate. So ke sinabo-ke ama-labor specialists, sinawo ama-organizers. Siyacela futhi ukuthi abantu abafisa ukusijoyina ngoba phela imali asikakabi nayo ngoba ama-subscriptions la esazofika kakafiki. So but siyafisa ukuthi ukusebenza sithole people abazokwazi ukuthi bafulfill our obligation. Hayi abazolanda imali kumaqhashi. Fulfill our obligation. And anyone ozosayina i-contract with us uzoyisayina i-contract at no stage where you should take imali from the employer. At no stage. That will be part of any contract that we are all going to sign, including the union. So, sikusho lokhu ngento ethi we need people and we are going to train shop steward to make sure what are capable in the workplace, because then they are hearing more radical, because then they are hearing about we hearing. Once you put we hearing SLE week uliyesa SCMA la SCMA zobe khulunywa ngama foundings hearing thola ukuthi hearing week unomuntu okurepresenta week, and then when we go there usuyinikeza thina i-cases week usubhala izinto efanele ngaba uyishongo lapha ku-hearing, noma befana ngabe uyishilo lapha ku-hearing wangazisho. So kubalulekile na u-hearing ukuthi to make sure ukuthi ama-shop steward are well trained nama-organizers ethu etc. So out of all this, comrades, thank you so much to the media ezinohlonze, thank you so much ukuthi nisikhavele this media briefing, and we were expecting more media, but unfortunately ke siyazi ukuthi i-media yonke yase-South Africa is compromised.
That's correct.
Yeah, well, it's compromised. That's why sesinemedia yethu ezinohlonze esisizoqala nathi ke build up our own entities ukuze sikwazi support our own entities. That's the case. Unfortunately, once sisupporta lokhuze ethu, uma sisupporta media houses ethu, uma esesidlondlobala siyawashiya bese siyabuya siyalawo Rupert sesiyolanda wona ke sirana nawo. But unfortunately, thank you so much. Siyabonga noBishop wethu is sefikile, arrived. Siyabonga kakhulu Bishop. Siyufika nje sesiqedile i-interview. We are hoping ukuthi ke comrades masuka la at 2:00 siplan ukuthi sibe lapha eBlue Lagoon khona ke siyo enjoy everything ke inyama yabo drink hayo umntwana ke ngoba phela ngumbishop at some point. But kodwa ke umuntu mayephathele lokho aphathele, but it's a bring and share. Lokho okuncane nje sokushare lapha ikona isinako. We don't have another yabo. So siyalapha siyo enjoy, siyalapha siyothi nje let's celebrate a certificate. But for you, it's a big achievement. For me, it's almost times 10 years to come achievement in my life. Maybe it's the last achievement, or it's an achievement that I never achieved. Maybe the second one in my life since I was young. You understand? So this one is a history, it's a legacy. You know, it's a legacy. Even if I die today, there will be San Fosao in my absentia.
Yeah.
There is a lot of them. So people will take that spear and run. Maybe but everything starts small and then it grows. It grows with people. Yeah, it cannot grow itself. It grows with people. I saw so many unions because they started good in a good manner, but on the way there are so many things that happened, and I pray for this one. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu ayigcine azayigcine ngisho sengasekho ngingasaziyo kodwa uNkulunkulu ayigcine ihlobale ngisho ngingasekho because ngibuka indlela esijuluke ngayo silwela ukuthi ibe khona, and ngiyafisa ukuthi kule media briefing also I want to appreciate a working relationship esibenayo ne-team, but more than that, a person osenze sakwazi ukuyi-achieve lento is the president of this union, of which is Thandiwe Mlisa. Awuphakame ke bakubone ntombi. No, she was very passionate. She was very. I don't like papers actually. I don't like papers. I don't like it. You understand? And then you need someone like her who can consistent. You know, in labor always phoning you, send this, send that, send this, send that, and you can even get tired and say, hey, you understand? But today we have our dreams comes true, of which is Sun for Sun. Thank you so much. Siyabonga. My comrade, Sino Bishop, Archbishop, Uswite, Oyena, Okona la emkhondweni wesizwe invited to come and grace this occasion. Siyathemba ukuthi ke njobe sekhona uzothi mayiqeda nje abesane sesibusisela nje esicelele uNkulunkulu ukuthi uhambo lethu lube luhle. Siyabonga kakhulu Bishop. Siyabonga nje.
Angibingelele Baba Bishop Mapoloko, ngibingelele uPresident, ngibingelele kwi-team yonke, ngibingelela egameni lenkosi yethu Jesu Kristu. Ngithi nje angibonge what a great achievement esibonile yenzeka. Sibonile ukusebenza kwakho khona, sibonile ukuyikhandla kwakho ne-team yakho yonke. Abanye ngiyakholwa nabo becabanga ukuthi hayi iyinto ezohamba iphelele endleleni, kodwa uma sekukhona isitifiketi nasi ngisibona la phambi kwamehlo ami, South Africa is not for sale. Workers Union, Sun for Sun. Kuyamangalisa lokho. Akusiyona into encane ngoba baningi abantu kade belokhu bebuza njengoba sikhona nje lemkhondweni ukuthi nginyane nomkhonto. Siyacabanga ke noma sizothola incazelo koBishop ukuthi i-way forward ithini ngoba nabalaba abalapha ey'koleni siyasizwa i-cry phela uma besibona sigijima emkhondweni ukuthi phela nisizameleni nathi inyunyana abantu abazokuza kosimele basimele nje kodwa bewumkhonto. Lezi zinto esizona asisebenzeli. So namhlanje ke uma sila sizobungwaza futhi sizakokhuleka sizothi way forward ngale union eqalile. Impela amazwi ami engingawasho ukuthi asenento noma benizabalaza ingekho into enibambelele ngayo, kodwa seninento manje enibambelele ngayo, seninento manje enime ngayo. Nje uma ngabe ngibona usayina laphaya ePitoli, ngaze ngaphosta lapho nami omunye wethu njalo omunye wethu lo kodwa ngisho-ke esifundisile ukuthi omunye wethu lo kodwa simthathile samdeploya lapha kubasebenzi. So manje uma ngabe sikubona bese kunje sekufinyelele lapha kulesi sigaba, kuyamangalisa. Ngibonge-ke nje nethuba-ke nami lokuthi ngithole leli thuba lokuthi ngize konibingelela, ngize koGracer le union. Ngicabanga ukuthi nami ngibekile umaka ukuthi ngosuku lokuqala ipresentwe nje yethulwa ngibe umuntu okhona bese ngirelease i-blessing kuyona. kusho ukuthi ke emabhukwini ayo lize nilifake nelami igama. Umlando
Yeah.
umlando lo osingakaze siwubona namfuthi engakaze ngicabanga ukuthi ngangizokuba kuwona.
Yeah.
Wena nawu sekuzenza
Sesikhona.
ngale sesikhona sesigalelekile siphakathi sithi phambili ngomzabalazo wabasebenzi phambili phambili ngomzabalazo wabasebenzi phambili. Hayi siyabonga siyabonga.
Okay, well, can you come also and just have a few words? And then one member from Umkhonto. But I get to say support.
Yeah,
Yes, shy support to those Valero Bishop
Yeah.
after that.
that's right.
Ozanma Comrade, come and sit here. So that can see me for the support.
Yeah. Bonakala.
Aqale ufowethu then bese kuza word of support.
Good afternoon, I'm Anthony Jean-Louis, and I'm from an organization called Grow Love in Africa. And I'm so excited to see a new organization formed to help workers in South Africa. And the future seems bright. And we need everybody's support to make this organization great.
Thank you. Several. Yeah.
Hey, no, thank you very much, Nopana, colleagues. No, ngibonga kakhulu Bishop umsebenzi omuhle oswenzekile. Ngibonga kakhulu nje sithi umkhonto wesizwe sizosupporta kakhulu and ngiyathanda Bishop ngicabanga ukuthi izomela isabiso stika kakhulu section 21 and section 23 and section 37 the Basic Condition of Employment Act.
Yes.
Ukuthi lawa ama-agreement enza between the employer and the employee akukho lapho kugcina kugcinizela khona abantu bakithi abamnyama. Ngicabanga ukuthi into ebaluleke kakhulu. So as umkhonto wesizwe siyayisupporta kakhulu Bishop and sikhona ngakho konke okusemandleni ethu sengemva kwabo to support ukuthi iqhubeke phambili. Isandfu sawo amandla.
Wethu.
Hayi, siyabonga ke ma-comrade, socela nje ukuthi sivaleke sivale le nkundla yethu uBishop asivalele yona. Comrades, mhlambe kulabo abafike late asisho nje scope ebesihamba ngaso bafowethu uNkulunkulu usizile la Bishop. Le i-federation on its own, the Sanfo South. Ithi eyibhedlela iyangena eyibhedlela onesi odokotela abasebenzi bakhona and allied workers wonke umuntu osebenza esibhedlela uyakwazi ukuthi angene kule union. U-education wonke abantu abasebenza ka-education bayakwazi ukuthi bangene kule union. Social development bayangena kule union. State administration bayangena kule union. Parastatus tax and public entities ayangena kule imayi ziyangena kule union. Security iyangena kule union. Abasebenza ensimbini bayangena kule union. Cleaning iyangena kule union. Textile iyangena kule union. Logistics and transport iyangena kule union. Financial services ama-bank abasebenza amabhanki bayangena kule union. Public sector iyangena kule union. Ngisho ilokuze ke amalokuze nakho ukubula president kuma nansi state administration ngisho ama-MPs ayangena. Simbamba one sekusela upresident yedwa. So ama local government or masipala
Yeah.
Bangena kulesi scope. Ibisithi ke public sector ke na various other sectors not mentioned. Kushuthi uyisasweshile.
Yeah.
Ithatha kwani bafowethu. Umkhonto nje la ubenefita a lot. Into esoyenza ke we will make ama departments. Kube khona i-department yaka security edila ne-security only.
Yeah.
Kube khona i-department yakwa cleaning edila nama-cleaners, nama-issues ama-cleaners. Kube khona eyothisha edila nje nama-issues othisha. Kusho ukuthi la sobe sifana no government kodwa kwi-union.
Yeah.
Where wonke ama-sectors ezobe enama-offices wawo. Ukube nje uma ungena la ungena ka-security, uma ungena ngale ungena ka-teaching, uma ungena ngale ungena ka-health, uma ungena ngale ungena ka-ba. So kuzoba kanjani umsebenzi usazoba mkhulu ngoba sidinga abantu abazokwazi ukupenetrate all these sectors. Ngiyangithola. Benzela nje ukuthi leyo mawusuthandaza uyibale ukubona ukuthi lenkosi ubonile sengifundelwe yonke ebebeni. Siyabonga kakhulu. Okay. Awusibusise. Yeah, all sectors are covered.
Hayi singasukuma nokuthola. Ake sikhulekeni.
Izwa imithandazo Yesu Nkosi sikelela sina lusapho lwayo.
Baba wethu omuhle Yise wenkosi uJesu Kristu. Lolu lusuku oluhle nolamukelekayo kuwe. Uba sihlangana lapha sizokwethula ezandleni zakho lomsebenzi omuhle osewenzekile. Phakathi kwale union entsha esunguliwe ezolwela abantu eSouth Africa. Siyathandaza uNkulunkulu engcwele nasi iSun for South lenhlangano elwela abasebenzi yiphe ubuhlakani uyiphe uqonda okuvela kuwena. Lokho sicela umusa wonke ovela kuwe nobunene bonke ovela kuwe ukuthi ube protection and the guidance in whatever they do. Bakwenze under your guidance. Bakwenze under your control. Bakwenze under your power. Baba ngiyakhuleka ngoba uthe thina konke esikwenzayo masikwenze egameni lenkosi. Kungakho ke nalenhlangano siyethule egameni lakho. Siyakholelwa kwazini ukuthi zonke izinto ezenzeka phansi komthunzi welanga kuneso lakho phakathi. Baba sizolwela abasebenzi. Sizokhulula abantu bakithi abacindezelwe. Sicela ukuthi ibe isixazululo lenhlangano ibe phakathi kwenhlangano ezikhona ezilwela abasebenzi but ibe inhlangano eholwa umusa wakho neholwa ukunqoba kwakho nokwethembeka kupheleliswe kuyona njengalokho ubekile umholi wakalizwi ukuthi ayilide. Siyakholelwa lokho Nkosi ukuthi uyenze ngenjongo. Uyenza ngothando lakho kube bekanjalo bengayokwenzeka beyothatha nje uzibekele omunye kodwa uphushena phambili ngoba ufuna uguquko lakho luvele ezweni. Nangalokho ke siyakubonga nangaye unobhala nangaye ubaba uBishop Mapoloba. Siyabonga nje ngaye ngawo wonke ama-efforts nawo wonke amandla nawo wonke ubuhlakani omnikeze wona. Qiniseke esazoqhubeka siyazi ukuthi ama-challenges azokuba khona kodwa uma kukhona wena konke kulula ngoba kuwena ayikho intaba awuyazi intaba akunabunzima bentaba kuwena akunamosha akunamfulo omkhulu ongaweleki kuwena konke kulula ngoba umoya uthe bonke abakhuleka kuwe bakhuleke ngomoya nangeqiniso ngiyala isibusiso sikaNkulunkulu ezidlala esidlula ukuqonda konke ukuthi sipheleliswe phezu kwale organization in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit, and I bless you.
Amen.
Amen.
Mandla. Wethu. Amandla. Viva Nxamalala viva. Viva. Viva Nxamalala viva. Viva. Phezulu ngerafto phezulu. Phezulu. Phezulu ngesanfo sawu phezulu. Phezulu. Mandla. Wethu. Amandla. All power
To the people.
All power
To the people.
All power
To the people.
To the people.
All power.
To the people.
All power.
Viva MK Viva.
Viva.
Viva MK Nepades Viva.
Viva.
Mandla.
Awethu.
Awethu.
Amandla.
Thank you very much.